Kanina napag-usapan natin the income difference of 1 account, 3 accounts, and 7 accounts. So, napaka-importante rin na malaman natin kung magkano yung capital natin for 1 account, 3 accounts, and 7 accounts. Most especially yung net investment. Okay. So, alam natin na per global package is $265. Per global package comes with 5 boxes of C24/7. Dito po sa Hawaii, ang benta po ng C24/7 or 1 box of C24/7 retail price is $36. So, let's say for example, nag-join tayo, meron tayong 5 boxes ng C24/7. Binenta natin lahat. Maybe tanong nyo ngayon, paano ako? Paano yung ginamit ko? Babayaran ko pa? Of course, it's your own capital. So, pag ikaw yung nag-take, syempre babayaran mo rin. Para may balik yung puhunan mo. Okay. So, let's say nabenta mo yung 5 boxes, which is equivalent to $180. So, ang gagawin natin is, i-less natin yung 180 from 265. So, ang magiging net investment natin is $85. Okay. So, magkano naman yung maximum income for net investment of $85 or yung 1 account na 265? Hanggang $13,000 per month lang po. Let's say for example, so ibig sabihin pag nag-join ako, meron akong $13,000. Hindi po ganon. Okay, pag trinabaho mo, and then dinuplicate ka ng mga kasama mo, tinuruan mo sila, okay, how to do the business, how to share about the product, how to share about the opportunity, and dinuplicate ka hanggang sa lumaki yung grupo mo, yung kanan at saka sa kaliwa, and then hanggang tuloy-tuloy po yon. Of course, ang magiging maximum income mo every month is up to $13,000 per month. Okay, so how about yung 3 accounts? Ito po. Tulad po dito, 3 accounts. Okay, magkano yung capital ng 3 accounts? Of course, automatic, 265 times 3. That's equivalent to 795. Yung 795 or 3 accounts comes with 15 boxes of C24/7. Now, pag nabenta natin yung 15 boxes or yung worth of product from 3 accounts is 540. Bakit po 540? Kasi 36 times 15. Okay, so lumabas po 540. Ewan ko lang kung kamali yung calculator nyo, pero yung calculator ko po 540 po. Maski ulitin nyo. Okay, so ang gagawin po natin is i-less natin para makita natin yung net investment. I-less natin yung 540 from 795, which is 255. Ito po yung initial investment natin. Bakit ko po sinabing initial? Kasi po, with your position, magkakaroon pa tayo ng tinatawag na commission, which is $55. So, saan nanggaling yung $55? Meron tayong tinatawag na direct referral bonus or sponsoring bonus. Okay, so paano siya? Yung first account mo, pwede niyang i-sponsor yung second account mo. Kaya yung first account mo, magkakaroon ng $11. Again, yung first account mo, pwede niyang i-sponsor yung number 3. So, yung number 1 mo, magkakaroon na naman na another $11. So, $22 na. Tapos, yung first account mo, meron tayong tinatawag na matching. Nag-match yung number 2 mo at saka yung number 3. Kaya, binigyan ka pa ng bonus na $33. Doon nang galing yung $55. Okay? So, i-less natin yung $55 from your initial investments, which is $255, ito lang yung magiging net investment mo. Okay, $200. So, magkano naman yung maximum potential income for your 3 accounts? Ito po siya. Gross income is more than $41,000 per month. Yan po yung pwedeng kitain ng 3 accounts mo. Can you imagine, nag-times 3 po yung 1 account? Okay? So, ano yung kaibahan ng 3 accounts at saka 1 accounts when it comes to investment? Okay. Very simple po. Tulad ng ganito. Let's say i-distinguish natin na bibili tayo ng mangga. Okay. Yung isang mangga, ang presyo po noon is $85. Parang ganon, di ba? Yung 3 mangga, pag kukunin mo yung 3, magiging 200 lang yung net investment or yung bayad noon. So, lumalabas na mas mababa pa yung 200 kaysa yung $85, di po ba? Just like 1 for $85 and or 3 for $200. So, syempre, halos mas mababa pa itong net investment for 3 accounts. Okay, tignan naman natin yung 7 accounts. Ito po siya. Okay, napag-usapan natin kanina na mas malaki ang potential having 7 account. Nung dinifferentiate natin yung income difference of 1 account, 3 accounts, and 7 accounts. So, okay, maybe sa isip nyo yan, gusto ko yung 7 accounts, gusto ko yung 7 accounts. Pero tignan muna natin kung magkano yung capital na ilalabas natin. Okay, now, of course, 7 centers or 7 accounts multiplied by 265. That's equivalent to 1,855. Wow, nakakabigla po. Okay. Pero magkakaroon ka naman ng 35 boxes, okay, to start your business. Okay, maybe padala mo to sa other islands or sa other state or different countries. Okay? Kasi mahirap rin na mag-business ka pero wala ka namang product, di po ba? At least, if you really want to do this business and gusto mong hatawin, of course, mas maganda rin yung may maraming product, di po ba? Okay, now, so, for your 7 accounts, the amount of product na may bibigay sa iyo is 35 boxes. Let's say, for example, nabenta mo lahat ito ng $36 each. So, babalik yung 1,260 from the product. Okay, so, i-less mo yung 1,855 to 1,260. Ang initial investment mo is $595. Okay, $595. Bakit ko sinabing initial? Sinabi kong initial kasi pwede pang mabawasan dito. How? Yung position mo, pwedeng kumita na tigi $11. Okay? So, 6 times 11. Saan nanggaling to? Direct referral bonus. So, yung number 1 mo, in-sponsor niya yung number 2. Yung number 1 mo, in-sponsor niya yung number 3. Yung number 2 mo, in-sponsor niya yung number 4. Yung number 2, number 5. Okay. Yung number 3 mo, in-sponsor niya yung number 6. Yung number 3 mo, in-sponsor niya yung number 7. Kaya nagkaroon ka ng $11 per sponsor. So, pag tinotal mo yan, magiging $66. So, pwede mo na namang i-less from 595. Okay. So, magkano matitira? 529. Initial pa rin ito. Bakit ko sinabing initial? Kasi your position, just like this one, pwede ka pang kumita ng matching bonus. How? 1, 2, 3. Paano? Yung number 2 mo, nag-match yung 4 and 5. Yung number 3 mo, nag-match yung 6 and 7. Yung number 1 mo, nag-match yung 2 and 3. Nag-match yung 5 and 6. Nag-match yung 4 and 7. So, kung bibilangin natin kung ilang matches ang kinita mo sa position na 7 accounts, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So, 5 times 33, that's equivalent to $165. Now, i-less natin from 529. Ito lang yung magiging net investment natin. 364. Yung 364, pwedeng kumita ng gross income up to $96,000 per month. Okay, gross income. So, ibig sabihin, pag gumagalaw lahat, yung mga accounts mo, at ang maganda dito ka lang magko-concentrate. Baba ng number 4, baba ng number 5, number 6, and number 7. Hindi mo na aalahanin yung 1, 2, and 3. Kasi, whether you like it or not, mag 2 times 33 yon or multiple times ang income nun. Okay, now, balik tayo sa net investment. Di ba yung 1 account, ang net investment is $85? Okay? Yung 3 accounts is, ang net investment is $200. How about for 7 accounts? Magkano ang net investment? 364. Alin po ang mas mababa? Okay. Now, i-distinguish na naman natin. Let's say, bibili tayo ng mangga. Okay, gustong-gusto natin yung mangga, paborito natin. Okay, let's say ako, bibiliin ko yung mangga. 1 for $85, 3 for $200, or 7 for $364. Since gustong-gusto ko yung mangga, ano ang pipiliin ko para makamura ako? Siyempre, of course, yung 7 na mangga, which is 364. Or, i-divert natin sa accounts, of course, yung 7 accounts. Yan po yung kaibahan when it comes to net investment between 1 account, 3 account, and 7 accounts. Napaka-importante po na malaman natin. Okay? So, ang susunod po na topic natin is, of course, we all know na yung upfront ng 7 accounts is 1,855, which is, you know, sa karamihan po, syempre masakit sa bulsa, one time. Okay. Pero ito po yung tanong ko. Gusto nyo ba yung 7 accounts? Okay. Paano kung may share ko sa inyo how to get 7 accounts by just investing or using $795? Okay. You wanna know how? Abangan nyo lang po sa pagbabalik. Thank you very much.